Pondering why your YouTube channel isn't growing as fast as you'd hoped? Struggling to see a rise in your subscriber count or view count? Well, you are not alone. Many content creators find themselves in the same boat. But don't worry, there's a method to the madness, and today we're going to delve into the secrets of fast-tracking your YouTube subscribers and views. Kick things off. Ask yourself, is your content top-notch? The first rule of thumb in the YouTube world is simple. Consistently upload high-quality content. It's the magnet that keeps your viewers coming back and attracts new ones. It's what differentiates the wheat from the chaff. Remember, content is king, and in the YouTube kingdom, it reigns supreme. Now let's move to the second step. Have you ever thought about optimizing your video titles, descriptions, and tags with relevant keywords? Well, you should. It's a surefire way to make your videos more discoverable in search results and get them recommended to a wider audience. It's all about making the YouTube algorithm work in your favor. Engaging with your audience is the third step. Respond to comments, create a sense of community. It's not just about producing content, it's also about building relationships. When viewers feel valued and part of a community, they're more likely to subscribe, share your videos, and spread the word about your channel. Collaborating with other YouTubers in your niche is the fourth step. It's an effective strategy to tap into their audience and gain more exposure for your channel. Think of it as a win-win situation. You get to reach new viewers who are interested in your type of content, and they get to discover a new channel they might love. The road to fast-tracking your YouTube subscribers and views isn't always smooth. It requires dedication, patience, and a lot of hard work. But with these tips in your arsenal, you'll be well on your way to growing your channel and achieving your YouTube goals. Before we wrap up, remember to subscribe to Kibitize for more insightful tips and tricks. We're here to help you navigate the YouTube landscape, and we've got plenty more secrets to share. You'll also find a link in the video description to help get you started. So what are you waiting for? Implement these strategies and watch your YouTube channel take off.